In this video, I'm gonna check if it is possible to switch to the front camera while recording a video on POCO X8 Pro. So let's give it a try. We're just gonna open the camera. Over here, we're gonna switch to the video mode. And of course, over here, we have the button that allows us to switch to the front camera before we start recording. I'm gonna start by using 4K 60 frames per second. So if I start recording a video, unfortunately, the button that switches to the front camera is now gone. So I cannot really switch. And let's give it a try, and let's decrease the frame rate to 30 frames per second. So still 4K, but 30 frames per second. Unfortunately, it is not possible to switch. Let's try full HD 60 frames per second. Unfortunately, it doesn't work either. 30 frames per second, full HD, doesn't work. So it seems that unfortunately it is not possible to switch lenses. Once you start recording using the rear camera, you cannot really switch. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.